Hi friends, today I have the honor of introducing to you Dr. Vineet. Dr. Vineet Kumar is rank 3 in this year's PGI exam, which is, I think, a fantabulous performance, an awesome performance, and entire dance team is very, very proud of your achievement, Vineet. Vineet, tell me about it. How are you feeling today,
Thank
and how do you feel when you saw the result?
I'm feeling very happy, sir. Like I didn't believe I got rank three. I used to check my friends checked my result and they told me. I didn't believe them. Then when I saw, I believed that I got rank three.
Those must be very special
Mm.
friends that must have checked the results first, I think. I think
Yes, sir.
that is such a great experience. So, Vineet,
Yes,
I want to know from you that this year, giving exams in itself was a very, very
yes,
tough
yes,
task. Remember that, we had that lockdown, pandemic, earthquakes are coming, wars are happening.
yeah.
So, how did you manage to
Cyclones,
maintain your
earthquakes.
cool? How did you manage to maintain your cool in this chaotic situation?
Like I used to were depressive. Like I used to take breaks in between, and I used to watch movies. Then I used to watch your motivation videos on YouTube, and those are the key. Then and I used to read 2 weeks and then take break of one day like that. I used to do so.
I think that balancing your life right now is becoming very very important. Otherwise, what will happen? The stress and anxiety levels are anyhow
Yes, sir.
on
Yes,
a
sir.
high in today's world. And I want to know from you, Vineet, that you
Yes,
have
sir. Yes,
utilized
sir.
the AIMS capsule course, and you were telling me that it,
Yes,
it
sir.
was of utility to you. So, can you tell me about your experience with the capsule course?
Yes, capsule course name is Ames capsule, but it will help for PGI aiming. Like they are very crisp. And you can cover topic, and if you are feeling you can't read, much, you are tired, you can watch the capsule so that the next time you can cover more things. And I used to make notes from the capsule, so they have covered all the recent important questions from as well as PGIs, particular the OBG, US, and pharmacology capsule videos.
Vineet, I think a little bit echo is coming from your side. I think, can you make it more tight? I think.
Eco. Oh, okay.
That's, I think. Let's try. Now it is better. Huh? So,
It is better. Oh.
any particular videos or any particular teachers in AIMS capsule you remember, and you were happy to see those questions or those topics in the real exams.
Psychiatrists, Sachin Arora sir and Deepthi ma'am, OBG videos, and pharmacology and microbiology and anatomy also, sir. All the videos I watched, these are most helpful.
And I also want to know from you, Vinny, that although we call it AIMS capsule, I'm so happy to hear from you that actually it is of utility for all central exams. But because the AIMS is so famous,
Yes,
so
sir.
we named it AIMS capsule actually.
Yes, sir.
And Vinny, I also want to know that you also appeared for our AIMS speaking mock that we conducted. What was your rank
Yes,
in that speaking mock?
I got 12th rank, sir, in your mock.
And were you, did you got that confidence after giving that rank and that, okay, maybe I can get into top five, top one rank?
Yes. Yeah, like it was almost 12,000 that I got 12th rank means it gave me confidence. That is for sure, sir. Like
And were you
it
happy with
close to the paper. Yes, sir.
the quality of discussions and the questions on the in the mock tests that we conducted?
Yeah, sir. Discussions are very good in the mock test. I use notes from the video discussions of the mock test also, sir.
Did you also utilize the previous paper, PJ papers that are available on the eMedical app?
Yes, sir. I utilize those previous the aims. I had only 2 days time to study for PDR. So I utilized those papers from your email.
Were you, happy with the papers and the video discussions? Did that give you an idea on around the topic as well?
Yes, sir. Like the solutions are there. PGI won't repeat the same questions, but same topic they'll repeat the questions. So reading solutions, it helped me a lot. Solve questions.
Vineet, what is your analysis of this year's PGI exam? Like, how many choices did you attempt, and how many, did you get right? And what is your idea about this year's exam?
So like I was preparing for AIMS. I got a rank of four in NEET. Then I decided to get into central. My dream branch was medicine. So I wanted either AIMS or PGI. Then like I was studying for AIMS or PGI after NEET results. Going to the NEET college through NEET. So I used to watch your videos how to approach mid-year exams, and your regularly I used to follow your videos, and aims I had well, but in the on the day I did some silly mistakes. I got 30 names. Then after the exam, I watched your how to go about PGI. You used time is very important in PGI exam. You have to look at the timer questions in 30 minutes. I followed strictly on the day exam, and it helped me a lot. And regarding the option, real attempt ratio depends on the difficulty of the paper, sir. Like you used to tell, and I second option even if I am in doubt, and third and fourth option I marked if I'm very sure. That is the approach I did, and it helped me a lot in PJs.
And Vineet, we are very very proud that we could be a part of your journey, and we could help you on those days, and you followed those strategies that we shared. We are very very happy to hear that. Vineet, I also
Thank you
want to
so
know
much.
that, you have taken that risk. That you
Yes.
left the seat that you could get through NEET, and you wanted only to go for central exams. What was the mindset that you have? Like, how did you motivate yourself that no, no, I will take this risk and I will go ahead and do this? Tell us about more about that.
I was actually not sure that if I leave the rank, if I get into central was very risky. Like there are only few seats exams for medicine, and that was risky move. The first exam was neat. That was through my hectic posting internship. I read if I try 3 more months, I thought I could do it well. So I risked it. So like then it went well.
So I think you took that chance, you took that risk, and it has paid you well now. And you're on the verge
Yes,
of joining in the topmost institute in the country now. Tell us about the branch that you would be wanting to take now.
sir. Branch,
Branch do you want to take now?
sir. Always medicine, sir. Like I'll take
So
PGI
I'm
medicine
sure,
now.
yeah, I'm sure India would have a great, medicine physician in you in future. And before I ask you any more
Yes,
questions, I have, uh, one more teacher with me here to congratulate you. You have attended her lecture in the capsule, and she is very proud of you.
Hello, Dr. Vineet.
hi,
Happy
ma'am.
congratulations. I think you've achieved a landmark, and you totally deserve with all the hard work, and I can see the happiness on your face. So, our good wishes are always with you. And I would really want to ask you something, Vineet, for juniors
Um,
who are listening to you. What
yes,
makes Dr.
yes.
Vineet so special or such a high rank achiever? I mean, what is the characteristic that Vineet would describe about himself that makes him so, so special?
Nothing, ma'am. Like I didn't give up after getting a rank. I didn't enjoy. Like I was persistent. That's the only I can tell. I can tell.
Great. I think yes, that's very very important. So this is a message for people who think that toppers come from sky, right? So it's not like that. The toppers have done the same amount of hard work. They face the same problems of highs and lows that anybody else does, and they have to persist in those low phases, and I think that's what actually makes them the topper. So that's really amazing, Vinny. And
I would like to add a word here, and I think that word that the today's candidates of future need to know is grit. Grit means ability to stick to your target despite downfalls coming in your way. And I think that is what makes Vinny so special. He has the grit, he has persistence, he has stickiness to his goal that he continued forward. And even in aims, he had some silly mistakes, but he did not let it affect him, and he went on to go give a great PJ exam.
And especially when there was a very little gap between the two exams. So you didn't let it
Sorry.
affect your
2 days.
performance,
2 days.
and also, Vineet, I would like to ask you that maybe if you can ask
Give some tips about the
PGI exam.
topics or any topics that a future aspirant should definitely read about PGI.
Okay. PGI first year biochemistry, molecular biochemistry important.
Yes.
They are constantly asking questions on that. Surgery scorings and renals are very important. Emergency in aims ask more of emergency.
Yes.
India subjects are very pharmacology and pathology.
For PGI.
Final year, it will be easy only.
Right.
And any particular thought about JIPMER exam? How was the JIPMER exam this year?
Sir, this year it was like I didn't. It was a very clinical exam, and
Yes.
there were no many like genes. No genes were asked. It was like more like exam only clinical.
Exactly.
There's no things you have to prepare for JIPMER. It's a few read similar things for aims, JIPMER, everything.
Yes, so I think that's again a very important message that Vineet is giving, that it doesn't matter what is the name of the exam, right? If your core content is good, and if you are persisting, and if you're continuously working on your weak zones, you'll be able to do well no matter what is the name of the exam. So I think he has eliminated the name part from the exam, and he's just given his best and taken every exam as an opportunity to do even better. And maybe Vineet, up 3 के बाद the only option you have 1 and 2, right? So let's hope for all the best for the JIPMER as well, and maybe you do.
Thank you.
Our good wishes are with you, and I would also want to ask one more point about PGI analysis. Vineet, that we
Yes,
all
ma'am.
know that PGI is an exam which needs a lot of time management. So, yeah, I know you were talking about that. You heard Dr. Sumay's video about it as well. But I just want to ask you, when you went to do the paper in those 3 hours, did you just go and started marking every option, or did you do a lot of sort of thinking process with every option? Did you mark a lot for review? And, or you just simply did it in one go? That is what I wanted to ask.
From the I wanted to go faster. Sir had told 45 questions. I follow that. From the first question, I used to mark at least like they would have hidden second option somewhere in the question. You have to see that. For the third and fourth option, I didn't take risk. Only if I used to mark that went and I could get 30 time left after completing 250. Came back and marked some options. That's all.
Okay, and also there is also one if I consider myself as a junior and I'm listening to your interview, one thing I would definitely want to ask a topper like you is, do you change a lot of options when you go ahead and mark? I mean, suppose let's say you have marked B for something, so when you go to review, do you change a lot of options? Because I think this is something that a lot of people need an insight on.
No, ma'am. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's clear. It's absolutely clear.
I didn't change options. I knew if I change, I'll go wrong. I minimized changing options only if I see except not true. Like that, if I done mistakes, I used to change options.
Great.
First option what you put is correct answer.
Absolutely. And I think everyone who's listening to you should make a point of this, that do not change your first instinct. They usually tend to be correct because they are from concepts and not from overthinking, right? And
Any messages for future aspirants?
yes.
Message is that don't compromise your dream. Achieve big. Just be persistent with your efforts. You can do what you want.
Persistence is the key. Don't compromise on your dreams. And I think, with this, we have had a great session with Vineet. We had a little bit of voice echo in between, but I think the message was loud and clear. And we wish you all the best for your JIPMA results.
Right, and you are a smiling doctor, and that adds to the personality of a doctor, because when patients come to you, if they see the doctor stressed, then it is a problem. So may God keep you always smiling, and may you be able to make a lot of difference in people's lives.
And
So
we will quickly make a V sign, just like we talk about. Yes, congratulations, Bache. Congratulations. We are very proud of your achievement. God bless you, Beta.
God bless you. All the very best for the result. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.